What's up, guys? Today we are taking the Gspeed 6x6 carbon fiber chassis. It's been ran a little bit before. We're gonna bring this thing back to life. AR45P axles. Brass high clearance links. Of course, dravtech shocks. This is where I'm gonna end this. I'm gonna start a time-lapse video and see where we go. Gonna have to get creative on my new transfer case mount. We'll worry about that when we get there. Going away from this 3D printed one. Something a little more simple, quiet, and reliable. Let's get going. Well, we got a slider together. dravtech shocks by dlux fab. Got ultra soft springs in the front. Soft and soft in the center and rear. Got the trans mounted up. Holmes B3 servo. Hard to beat. Gonna be running Castle 2850 slate paired with Micro X crawler, censored. Ran the setup before, it's super nice. More than enough power, that's for sure. Going back to the J Concepts, landmines, crawler innovation, Little Nova, soft up front, medium in both rear axles, some eBay knockoff wheels. I've got the UMG body still chopped up to fit. Unfortunately, looks like the bed is discontinued. The cab should come back in July, but there's no promises there. So I picked up a couple Power Wagon beds. May try to make something work out of that and get a cab setup going. Running a mofo forward mount, motor forward, dual output trans, axial internals, splits up the rear axles, makes it quite nice, especially being that I'm running the AR45P axles, but I ran the same setup with the AR44s, got rid of the pass-through, went high pinion in the rear. Super nice setup. He also makes the splitter for doing the high pinion, or in my case, the portal axles, so everything spins the right way. Picked up this little transfer case from Cross RC. Gonna make a mount for that. Like I said earlier, it will sit about there. This thing ends up having drive shafts everywhere, but it works really well. That's it for now. When I get electronics mounted up and I get it to be a driver again, I'll make another video. Thanks for watching.